Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and it is nice to see you once again, and thank you once more to all my subscribers. Still, can't believe it that I was able to reach the 1,000 subscribers count. Thank you very, very, very much for all your help and support. And if this is your first time to drop by in this channel, might as well you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated for the new contents of this channel. I know gladly that our Facebook Messenger is very much crowded nowadays. We have so many group chats. Some can relate to this scenario that without you knowing it, you're added to a new GC. For today's vlog, I'm going to introduce to you Telegram app. Yes, this is also same with Messenger, but it is kind of quiet in Telegram. So I guess some of your messages will be transferred to Telegram, especially if it is for family and personal communications. You can have Telegram. So what is Telegram all about? Let us watch this. Alright, same with other apps. If you are running on Android, go to Play Store, just search for Telegram. Okay, it's over there. And in my phone, there is already Telegram, so I need to update the application. So let us just wait for a little while for the update of this Telegram. So by the way, I'm going to show you how you are going to install that in your phones later after this update. Just let us wait for a bit, not kind of longer. This connection is cooperative this time. So by the way, hi to all my friends from China and Singapore, and also from Taiwan. The update is installing, so that's it. Okay, so I'm not going to open that yet because I'm going to show you first the initial installation when you already have the application on your phone. In a moment. Okay, when you already have the Telegram app on your phone, just same with the other applications, just press on that to launch it. It will prompt you to the messages, and those are messages from your friends within your device itself who are using Telegram app. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, only 3 friends who are using Telegram at this moment. Let us check on these 3 lines. It will prompt us to the menus of the Telegram app. You have the new group, the new secret chat. If you want to hide some conversations, there is this option, new secret chat. Then new channel, contacts, calls, etc., etc. Alright, so and here you also have an option if you're going to have that dark mode. It will bring you to this screen. Then if you press on that, it will go back to the previous setting. Okay, so let us explore much on this. So let us, if you're going to have settings, it will have you over here. This is my favorite, the chat settings, because you can change the color of your screen, something like that. Look at that, very nice. So yeah, for me, I used to play with colors. I am not satisfied with only one theme, so it depends on my mood. I kept on changing themes on my phone, and this is really enjoyable. Let's look at that. It's for you to explore when you install this app on your phone. So I'm just going to have it like this one. Maybe this is the old one. I guess I'm going to choose another one over here. I'm just wasting time. Alright, if you have already decided and there are still a lot of settings that you can change, and let's go back to this one. Okay, I have here a friend. By the way, she's the one who introduced me to Telegram. Okay, so look at that. I was able to send an image, and you can also have something like this one. Alright, look at that. It's moving. Okay, so Ninong Willie, he has no Telegram yet, so I can't invite him to a secret chat. Alright, so this is it, guys. If you want to have another conversation, you just press on this part with pen. New group, new secret chat, new channel, things like that. So that's it, guys. Wanna try this and have a much quiet and peaceful messaging app. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for staying connected up to this very part of this video. I hope you like Telegram and might as well try it and enjoy the app. I'll see you again next vlog. God bless us all. Keep safe, everyone.